Alright, I'm standing on the north end of the property facing south. So they got a lot more progress since the last time I was here. It's been about, I think, 3 weeks ago. So you can actually see a lot more. Actually got some steel going up now. It's Sunday, so there's nothing going on obviously today. And it's holiday weekend, so I don't see anybody on the site. But we can start seeing some shape going up now. They're not in the hole. Hello Raider Nation, this is Sunday, May 27th, 2018. I'm on the east side of the property, facing west. So you can see we got a lot of more rebar in the ground. And they're actually starting to put some iron up. Nothing going on today. The whole site's shut down because of the holiday weekend. But it's coming out of the ground now. More cranes. Alright, now I'm on the west side facing east. I don't know how well you could see down in there. You could, down in the hole. Alright, so a lot more progress, stuff coming up. That's about it today. So if you want to keep getting the updates, subscribe to Duntov1967. I post them every 3-4 weeks. So thanks for watching.